That's here for Mechiamo. Yauni, so me out a tourist. My name is Reggie Rockstone, and I have a serious, very important message to share with you. Pay attention. You ain't got to pay me money. Just pay attention. These are the festive times. Brunyaba, Ubianiaji. You know what I'm about to tell you. Road safety. Rough. You know how many people we lose? Countless. Listen. Seatbelts. 1. What's not getting in my shit? 2. Drink and drive. No. When you say be trebia, get a Uber. Why? Now support. Also obey the speed signs. Slow down. Turn coming up. Yes. Obey all the road safety signs and you shall be good. Yes. Now this message, it comes from me, Rockstone, and Rock City Hotel, and of course, the National Road Safety Authority. We lose people all the time. Another thing, last but not least, is texted phone. No. Cut. And these are very crucial things that you should know. You probably already know, but once again, my name is Reggie Rockstone, and I wish you a happy, safe holiday. Thank you. God bless you.